So the other day I was all like, I think there is an owl in the tree. And my dog. He's acting like there is one in the tree. I'll tell you why. Probably because there is one. Well, hello, owl. And that is amazing. You can't have that view. That's a friendly. That's a Pokemon. Oh. It's beautiful. And it's probably like, get the fucking light out of my face. What's up, buddy? Hi. You scared us. Yeah, my dog tripping the hell out. Let me see if I can focus it. Well, you are beautiful. Well, thank you for letting us get a look at you. There might be some rats around the edge. If you want some rats, which I would imagine. There's also a snake that kind of chills over on that tree over there. So if you're looking for some grubby grubs, my dogs are off limits though, for real. So I don't know what you eat, but yeah, rats probably around that way. You probably got some squirrels over there. I don't know what y'all eat. So you also cannot have my running bunny rabbit. So I'm gonna cover my bunny rabbit.